Namaste, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your go-to destination for all things financial and tax related. Today, we have a comprehensive guide that will demystify the process of filing income tax returns in India. Whether you are a salaried employee, a business owner, or a freelancer, this video will walk you through the entire process in a simple way. So, let's dive right in. In this video, we will cover 1. Understanding income tax. 2. Types of ITR forms. 3. Documents required. 4. Filing methods. 5. Step-by-step filing process. 6. Tips and tricks. 7. Common mistakes to avoid. Before we begin, make sure you have a stable internet connection and all your financial documents ready. Let's start with understanding the basics. Section 1. Understanding income tax. In India, income tax is a direct tax levied by the government on the income earned by individuals and entities. The tax you pay depends on your income level, and it's divided into different slabs, which change from year to year. You can find the latest income tax slabs on the official income tax website. Section 2. Types of ITR forms. Next, let's discuss the various types of income tax return (ITR) forms. The right form depends on your income sources. For example, if you are a salaried individual with no business income, you would use ITR 1. However, if you have income from business or profession, you might need ITR 3 or ITR 4. Choose the correct form to avoid complications. Section 3. Documents required. To file your income tax return, you'll need several documents, including your PAN card, Aadhaar card, Form 16 for salaried individuals, bank statements, and investment proofs like Form 26AS. Make sure you have all of these documents handy before proceeding. Section 4. Filing methods. Now, let's discuss the two main methods of filing your income tax returns, online and offline. Online filing is the most convenient and popular method. You can do it through the official Income Tax e-filing website. Offline filing involves submitting a physical copy of your ITR form to the Income Tax Department. Section 5. Step-by-step filing process. To simplify the e-filing process, let's break it down into simple steps. 1. Register on the Income Tax e-filing portal. 2. Choose the relevant ITR form. 3. Fill in your personal and income details. 4. Verify the data and calculate your tax. 5. Pay any remaining tax, if applicable. 6. Upload your digital signature, if available, or use Aadhaar OTP for verification. 7. Submit your return. Section 6. Tips and tricks. Here are some helpful tips. 1. File your returns on time to avoid penalties. 2. Double-check all the information for accuracy. 3. Save your acknowledgement receipt. 4. Keep records of your financial transactions. Section 7. Common mistakes to avoid. Lastly, let's discuss common mistakes to avoid. 1. Incorrect PAN or Aadhaar details. 2. Not reporting all sources of income. 3. Neglecting to claim deductions and exemptions. 4. Forgetting to verify your return. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to file income tax returns in India. Remember, paying taxes is not just a legal obligation, it also contributes to nation building. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel name for more informative content on finance and taxation. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay financially wise.